Hi, Dave Snyder here. It is January the 7th, 2013. Okay, so I'm going to make this one video that's going to just blow you away. Oh, alright, here you go. If you take the moon surface, any side of the moon pretty much, any side of the moon surface, and overlay and reverse it, save a picture of it. I'm going to show you how to do it right now. I'm already on Google. Okay, we're just going to turn all this stuff off, and I'm just going to go to the moon. This is where you start. This is how you start out right here. Go to the moon. Do this first. Takes a second. Hold on. Come on now. Does this every time. Just about. If I haven't been, that was loud. If I haven't been, if it depends on how long I've been. It's been since I've been back to the moon. Then it hasn't been that long. It just comes right up. But, okay, first do this. You can just kind of go like this, turn this off, and then go right here. You can just practice with your saving skills right here. You just kind of take the south pole of the moon right here, zoom in with your, just zoom in and out like this, and then you can change colors in here and stuff like that. You can do all this, make them different colors, or that's good for some things. It is actually good for some, like the backside of the moon where they don't show you much. It's just like it's better to use it as like a confirmation after you think you got something. You just kind of bring, and if there's some things you think you can't see, because Google Moon has so many things that you cannot see. It's very, very faint. Everything is very weak in the moon on this picture in Google Moon. Very weak. You'll see, but you can still do things. Now check it out. Save this. Just go up here to File. Save image. Save that image. Call it whatever you want. Put it wherever you want. And I'll just make it that. Okay. And then what you do is you just go like this. After you save that image, you go like this. Go up here and zoom in right there on Mare Oriental. Then you hit this button right here. See this button right here? And hit Browse, and you find it. Picture that you saved. And you probably won't have as much trouble as I have finding it, because you'll see I got a lot of stuff. Okay, here it is, and I just select it and hit OK. Just like that. I'm going to put it over there. Why did I put it over there? You always got to check that when it does that. Always check that. Oh boy. I don't know what that is. Maybe that goes there. Always check that when it happens like that. I'm trying to tell you something. Usually. Needs to be shrunk down and probably fit. I see it. I think I see it. Uh-oh. Yep. That would be Iceland right there. Yep. That would be Iceland, I think, right there. Yep. Sure is. Huh. That's interesting. I'm just thinking out loud because those two go together. That's cool. Let's just put it right together. That goes with this actually. Yep. It's a little bit off. See right there. Out right there. And you can zoom in like this. Like that. See that? See those two? You can see there's these two craters right here, and you can see this. You can see the print right there. Right there. See how faint it is, and see how there's one right there. They're there. Believe me, they're there. See that? You can see them. And you see this one right here. You can see that one and that one. Watch. See that? Very faint. Very faint. But you see in those lines stand out when I fade that in and out. You can see. Look at this right here. That's just another spot of the moon that hits the same spot on the Earth. Same spot on the Earth. Boom. Hits the same spot on the Earth. That's three now. I got the South Pole. I'm just going to leave this here, as a matter of fact, because I don't think I could find that if I wanted to. Man, I would have never really... think I ever would look there. That's really good. I know it's hard to see this one for you, for people that are trying to learn. I'm just trying to show, but look at it right here. I think I can see this big crater here. Look, right here, right there. Yep, definitely see it there. See, that's how Google Moon. God, how come sometimes I have trouble saying that word? Google Moon, Google Moon. Sometimes when you do this with Google Moon, it that's just what you got to put up with, I guess. But you can see that patterns are the same; they match. Okay, so I'm gonna leave that there. We'll just do another one over here. See when they do that, when the program puts it down all by itself, you have to check that. You have to check it. Always check those ones, because if you try to put it down right in front of you and it puts it over there, it's doing that for a reason. Though that's hard to see. That hits the same spot on the Earth, right there. Look at that. You can probably see that pretty good if you have a big screen. Wow, I'll put it right there. Good one. Okay, back to this one. Okay, we'll just bring that one up. Try it again. See if it puts it over there again. That would really confirm it, huh? Okay, here we go. Okay. Same thing with this one. This one's created by the same thing. Whatever hits here, I gotta find out which way it goes. I forgot. Looks like it right there. These two go together as well. They're all hit by the same thing. That's the deal. They're all hit by the same thing. Hits all these spots on the moon. So it's the south and north pole of the Earth is what it is. But you have to make. I'm just saying you have to practice like this first, trying to get the moon down first. Unless you already know all about the moon, then you just skip this point. There it is. I think right there. Something right there. Look at that. Oh wait. Right there. That edge, I think. There it is. See this right here? You can see that and everything. Oh, it's right here, almost. There's this crater right here that right there you can see it barely. That's the same thing as this right here. Same thing as that right there. That big round thing right there. Remember what this is. Google Moon. Garbage. But that goes, it's the same thing. Creates both spots. Or shapes both spots anyways. Oh, there it is right there. You see that big crater right there? Same thing. Now what you got to do is, now that you learn how to do that, you got to you can save pictures from Google Moon, or you can just go to Google Earth or Google Images and get the pictures off the Google Images of the moon. That's what I did, and it's a lot easier that way because this is such garbage, no detail. It's good for some things, like confirming things, but other than that, you want to be on the Earth. You want to go and save images from the internet, and you want to make them. You want to overlay them on the Earth, just like we just did over there. You just click this same button, and you choose your picture. And I just get this Mare Oriental one to start with. It's the best one to start with. It showed me everything. I mean, it showed me everything. Without that crater, man, I would have had a much tougher time. And the weather. Weather showed me everything too, pretty much. Okay. Okay, so here we go. You just want to use this right here to make it transparent, like this, right? And you just grab it, move it wherever you need to move it. So I'm gonna see where I put it. Actually, I should just see where I put it. I don't know. Sometimes it just puts it right down, right where you. I'm gonna cancel that and try it. Try it this way. Put the weather on first. See, I'll just put it. So I'll just drop it down somewhere where I know it goes, and let's just see if it puts it right in place. Let's see. That's pretty good. I don't know. Yeah, it looks like it could go there. Look at this over here. Oh boy. Okay, now let me show you what I see here. This right here. Putting it right there. That big line right there. You see that right there? Comes across. That looks like that goes right up there. Right across here. Yep, that goes there. Watch. See the corner right here? This is still a little bit big, I think. Well, maybe not. Oh shoot! Look at that. That's pretty good. Look at this right here. This looks like the thing that creates this part right here. Looks like the area that creates this area right there. Like it was just over a little bit or something. You know, see how it's got that? It comes up inside the land right there. That this area then goes up like that. That looks just like what this would do. Right where that hit. There's something there too, but this looks like what really lines up to it. And you see this? Look at this right here. Wow, that's serious. See what I mean? Now do you see that? See that? Look at how that. Look at the land features here. Geologists, scientists, people, whoever want. I mean, you can't explain it with any other way, except that it hit there. I mean, you can go through these things, and when it sets it down like that, look at that. Look at this right here, people. Right there. Look at that. I told you, that's why, you know, it'll spook you sometimes. It gets kind of spooky. It makes you wonder, for sure. Makes you wonder. Look at that. I wonder how many times and ways it's hit the Earth. Look at those. Look at how this is all shaped. You can see how it shapes that stuff. Even right here, look. That's that little area right there. Look. See China? See how China is right here? Look. Look at the shape of China. That is beautiful right there. Wow, that's a good one. Look at this. That's a good one. Very good. Very good. Japan? Oh, look at Japan. That is Japan right there, people. That's crazy. Looks like it to me. So I wonder why. Look at that. Right, look how it fits right around that thing. Huge. Yep, and see, look at this whole area right here. Look at this, watch. perfect. Fits right in there like that. Oh, it's here. There it is. See how it fits there. Come on, you can see that. And they just put that in place for us. They just put it in place. Deepest place on Earth, right there. Deepest place on Earth. That just look at what it just showed us, people. Look what that just showed us, right there. All on its own. Look at this curve right here. Look at the curve. Okay. You see what just showed us that? I let it put it. I just aimed it right here. I aimed it. Took this picture, aimed it, and accepted it, and it put it right in the right spot, at the right size, pretty much. Everything. That is awesome. Turn the weather. Wait till we see the weather. Oh, beautiful weather. Look at that weather. Pretty nice. Look at this right here. Look at this right here. Okay, people. If that doesn't get your attention, I don't know what will. I just did that. We just did all that work together. Basically, never did it before. I mean, I've dropped them here before, but they didn't line up this way. They were a different way, actually. But I think it's hit, more than once. As you can see. I mean, if you see what just happened, that one, that weather fit there. Look at that. You see the silhouette of that area too. All comes out right here. Look at this over here. I'll get zoomed in there. Check it out. Look at that right. Look at that right there. Watch. That's cool. Right there. That's cool too. How it lights up out this way. Look at this. Kind of looks. Yeah. Look at that. That's neat. You can see this whole web shape coming. All these lines that come out like this right here, and you see it fits right in there. All fits right in there. This right here. Look at that. It's curved in the front. You can see the same thing on the moon right there. Look at that. All curved. Perfect. Perfect overlay again. Another perfect overlay. Look at how it fits in there, people. Oh my goodness. Spooky. Spooky, spooky, spooky. I'm telling you. Things I've seen. Look at that. How does that weather fit like that? You've seen how it fit over the Earth already. I mean, we looked at it already up here, right? The texture fits. It fits the Earth. You can see this over here. You can see where all this is starting. Yeah, you can see it. That angle, you can see this curve right here, that curve, same thing right there. You can see that clearly. Wow, that's cool. Japan, pretty cool too. You see this line come up right here, all throughout there. That's really neat. This is a really good one. I like this one. This one's really neat. It shows. Look at that up there. Wow. It shows everything in this one. Look, you see the little curls up there? Yeah. Okay. And you can see that right there, really good. Once you look at it, start looking at it. I never really paid attention to what it's shaped like inside. Just it looks like a seahorse or something. There it is. That's pretty cool. You see that right there, look. This too. See that real good. Here's the lines that come out right there. See, there's two lines to go through. Wow. Right here. See that crater there? Looks like it's there to me. This is perfect. It lines up absolutely perfect. Over Australia, everything. All bit. Yep, that's a perfect one. Pretty close. Yep, look at this down here even. Look how it curves like this right here, look. Same thing, does the same thing right there. That angle is exactly identical. Look at the angle to like right there. See that angle, that straight line? That's the same. It goes all the way up. That is, wow. Wow. Okay, well that's enough for the lesson today. I thought that was pretty cool. The weather again. Check out the weather again. Come on, come in. Shit. Those lines, you can see those lines really good. See that? Absolutely perfect. Alright, have a good day.